right then that we were meant to be. I don't wanna love nobody else if I can't love you. Cause this feeling that I'm feeling, baby girl, it's true. Fight for your right.
Always listen now.
Fight for your right.
Always buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fighting. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite.
Love you a long time, girl like you for the on my team, you know, baby. You know, say you're sweet and look nice and all them things there.
What I really want to do in my life, Rambo, you have too much woman, I can't deal with you right now.
My girl, I want a woman me have but none sweet like you, that me make you know.
Rambo, I have to leave now. So me talk to you later.
Anyway, have a nice day and keep yourself sexy, see you here.
Alright, same to you.
Yeah, alright, cool.
Yo, you look like I am, you know.
What am I feel so?
Why you think so?
We are watching, look how long we are watching. And we don't see nothing now, you know, look.
You know, sir, right now, somebody send that the flash drive there in the youth and we have to find out who, you know, cause right now, I know say you know me, so I have to just find out who to thing set
I think I quench that. Because we are watching for a while and now go. So we need to find out who send this flash driver, brother. This thumb driver, we need to find out.
So become a problem right now, you know, but
Tell you.
right now, I say right now, yo. So you here for the girl? You here for her?
No, you're not here since you tell me that you need the money.
So I know. So yo, you gonna pay it? You feel like you gonna pay it?
What do you think we should do?
Yo, I know say that and me, you know. I know say me, I do that them sitting there.
Never say you, dog. No one start problem for them. No one look for my friend them like that, you see me?
Right now, I investigate, I have to go investigate and find out what really are going on in the streets. Because right now, a big bag of things are going on.
No, who send that?
Find out. You see
Yeah, look for my friend them.
I have to go find out what kind of thing are going on. So,
I think I mash up my head, brother.
so I know you.
You say Renoflex I'll get robbed. You know about that?
Really
Yes,
affect
I
it, Rob?
That me here.
So I know you.
Yes, I run wicked, brother. If I'm not robbing, I stabbing.
So here we are going now, you see? I have to go just come so boom. You wonder if much of them know about that.
What you know? I know much you tell me nothing about that.
So how you know about that, brother? How would tell you that?
Just here.
Oh,
Does it
I'm
mean-
there in the streets, you know.
And you never hear that?
Never hear nothing like that, but if me hear nothing, me make you know still, cause I'm there in the streets, but now I find out what I want.
Stinker road, man. But yo, that stabbing thing, that what you think I do them thing, dog? Every day somebody else get stabbed. Somebody dead now.
Sure, no, yo, that me I tell you, say street around wicked. Me well when I left this place at right and out to it around. I cut more and cut out of the place, yo. I'm pay down for a visa and right now, no, you. I tell you, say that I will come through and I cut out of the place right now. I tell you that. Because the place now run good out how my seat go.
As long as I don't cut you and macaroni, you pay no money.
What?
You
What
know
you just
that,
say a while
brother?
ago?
You can't give macaroni and cut your money. I do
Like a
a biggest
joke
scam
at
of them
you.
there.
We are tell me, sir,
A
brother.
real thing, I tell them, father.
I even make a piece of money, brother. I even make a piece of money for pay down for my thing, brother.
Oh
And the man
my
I tell me
God.
same thing, legit.
Macaroni and them? Gosh, you mad? I biggest scam of them there. No tell me say you give macaroni and them. And I like they don't get visa for people, you know, but you know them man there, it's like they get who they want to get visa.
Jano.
Yeah, brother,
Right now,
tell them
right
think
now,
you
me
know
have to
that
call him
in
to
the
you.
street.
Yo, I forgot to call him. I forgot to credit and call him. I can't believe what you tell me, sir. Go get back my money then if so be the case, brother. Man. I link him and make it. Yo, I tell me, sir, brother. Can't
Think you
believe it.
didn't know that, brother.
No, sir. So what you do about this flash drive thing, you know? Because we forgot to sort out and find out what I go on in the youth. Right now,
Beat me hard, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Right now, that I have to just find out. Because I'm there in the streets hard. But I got to just try to investigate and find out what go on. You see me? So, something have to be done about that thing.
Yeah, man,
I have
do
to
that,
sort
man.
it out. You see me?
Do that. We need to
Yeah,
do
man.
something, brother.
Yeah, man. But in the meantime, still, don't know if I just go and hold it and don't know. I got to find out what I go on in the street. See, so I could find you still. So, look more.
Push me a link.
Yeah, man. That's all the vibe, man.
Wow. Oh boy, the things these people post on Facebook. Hi Mel, how are you? Oh, I'm not doing too bad, you know. I'm just here. I do understand, believe me. Yeah, I can understand because right now I'm in a similar situation. I tell you, Mel, believe me, I understand. You know, it must have been a scary moment for you when the guy pushed you in the corner and tie up your mouth. I mean, oh. What? Of course, that's what you told me. You must have, that's what the news said. Never that the news say? Could I swear that the news say? Anyways, when you come look for me, thank you for calling and thing, but when you come look for me, Okay. Alright, honey. Yeah, just go and take care of yourself until then, yeah? Alright, my niece, love you. Alright.
Yo, Travis. Come on, man, I hear him, man. Brother, man, I try to study my youth. Sleep a bit, man. How much me have something could I... Yo, could I just stick and just hold up my youth? About what? 11 o'clock tomorrow.
I run the place now, brother.
Blue pill.
Yeah, man. So the man them I work on road and all
Blue
like
pill.
exotic people them a diss them take. And them just
Blue
go on and
pill.
go on and go on. Yeah, man. Them I deal with them now. You see me?
Blue pill.
Long time I not see you.
What are you doing here?
They don't know, sir. On the rocks computer thing. I may deal with it, man.
Yeah, so how is business going?
It's not going good enough. You know me. I'll do my thing.
Yeah, you're always progressive.
Hey, you know, so when you look at me, I call you Nivea, like a lotion. And you might tell me something top change up for the day, I don't know what else think of Nivea. It's Nivea.
Yes.
Wow.
And it's easy. Evan spelled backwards.
I haven't spelled backward.
Yes.
Wow. Even better. So what going to do? You still a dance?
No, I'm not do that no more. I'm just step on the street at hustle. Dancing now, put no money in my pocket.
Really? Wow. So what going with your mother do?
You know, from my mother fly out, she doesn't even call my brother.
You are your brother, she no call?
Nobody at all.
Really? Just like that? Two sides to a story now. Something you don't tell me? I must something you do, don't you? Your face it to her.
No, Jigga. We not do nothing to her. From she fly out, she just don't call nobody. But it's neither here nor there.
Wow. That's tough.
I know you're probably here, but me I gotta tell you again. Push. You know, so we're together, right?
Like, together?
Together.
What me think? Other girl? Are you friend?
My friend?
Yeah.
That's a long time story. We're together now.
Oh. Yeah, I mean, it's good. I don't judge you.
So, Kush,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back, Jigga.
Go back where?
Go back abroad.
When tell you so?
He tell me, say, I'm gonna go back, Jigga.
Well, if you tell you that, then I don't go. Yeah, man, I'm go back, man. I'm go back.
Me even tell me, say, I have this big music contract I come up when you go back.
Music contract? Yeah, man, I'm go back, man. But we are doing the dancing, though. You just like, give up on the dancing like that?
Yeah, me not dancing. My money not dep on dancing.
You know, money not depend dancing. You see all ding dong. You can't just give up a dream like that.
I have to just
Come
go
on.
out in the street and hustle.
Hustle. Nice girl like you, top boy in the street hustle. Come on. You can't do better. Don't give up on the dancing. Don't ever give up your dream, never. Stick with it, man. If you just stick with it still. You really think you should stick with it. Yeah?
Alright, me try.
But you're
Take
bad
it.
like that.
Alright, later.
Alright, me see you.
Man thinking I'm not here, my sister, you know. Yeah.
What kind of thought that you make? You like you watch your sister bad man. I'm talking you, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not want you around my sister. Enough money I spend for my sister. I'm not want you around my sister, I'm done.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you come like you want your sister.
I want my sister, but I don't want you around my sister. That may make you know anything or anything.
Yeah, different thing you know, you. Yo, I'm gonna tell you something like one time. You see me? Different thing I tell you about that man.
Woman sell her one stop. Gunshot I go get down at this, yeah?
right then that we were meant to be. I don't wanna love nobody else if I can't love you. Cause this feeling that I'm feeling, baby girl, it's true. And I'll give my love to you, baby, anything anything, baby. I don't wanna live my life without you. I just wanna be next to you. Right there, baby. I need you in my life. Yes, I do. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Oh, boy, I feel the same about you. And I can't wait another minute just to call you my boo. Don't wanna spend another lonely night, 'cause my body is falling, and baby, this just feels so right. No, I don't wanna love nobody else if I can't love you. 'Cause this feeling that I'm feeling, baby, it just feels so true.
I'll give my love to you. Baby, anything you say,
Baby, anything you say,
I'll wanna live my life without you.
no.
I just wanna be next to you. But I need you in my life. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. It don't matter what nobody says. Girl, I know that you're the one for me.
Oh, I don't care about what people say. When I'm with you, I feel ecstasy.
Will you love me like I love you?
Sweetie, I just wanna please you.
I will love you till the end of time. I just wanna make you
I
mine.
just wanna make you mine.
Ooh, baby. Oh, baby.
Oh, baby.
Oh, yeah. I'll give my love to you. Baby, anything you say, I'll do.
Anything you say, I'll do.
Wanna live my life. I don't wanna live my life without you. I just wanna be next to you. Right there with you, baby. I'll give all of my love.
To you.
Anything, baby. Live my life without
Wanna live my life
wanna
without
be
you.
next to you.
Oh,
I wanna be. I need you right
I need
there.
you in my life.
Yes, I do, baby. Oh, yeah.
I need you in my life.
The only one for me,
You're
girl.
the only